Number 2, reading aloud your daily text.
读心术和算命。在加州的威尼斯海滩，你可以看到很多会读心术的算命师。可是，他们为了赚钱，时常用暗号或给予建议，并以诡计欺骗民众。算命和读心术好玩归好玩，不需要太认真。
Hi everybody and welcome back to the second part of our class. We're going to be reading a new article and reading it aloud. Remember, you can't just read it, you have to read it aloud to practice your reading and your speaking skills. Now we have a new article. It's on the intermediate level. It's called Mind Readers and Fortune Tellers. It's number 35 in our reader book. Now here we go. I will read the article aloud and you can listen along for the proper pronunciation. Here we go. California is famous for its beautiful beaches. One of the most exciting beaches is Venice. Every day is always a true adventure. In Venice, you can often see a variety of street performers, artists, mind readers, and fortune tellers. On any given day, you can pay from $10 to $50 and get your fortune told. For most people, visiting fortune tellers is just a form of entertainment. Other people make decisions based on what the fortune teller says. Can mind readers see into your mind? Can fortune tellers predict the future? Many people believe that you should always be doubtful if someone claims that he or she can read your mind or predict the future. He or she may be trying to trick or cheat you in order to make a profit. There is no conclusive scientific evidence to suggest that anyone can really see into another person's mind or foretell events to come. There is a lot of evidence showing ways in which mind readers and fortune tellers fool the public. Sometimes they force you to think of something by asking a series of questions that help them read your mind. For example, the mind reader might ask you to pick a number between 1 and 50. But then he or she will make different suggestions to control the numbers you pick. Codes are another way that mind readers often cheat people. For instance, a mind reader can identify objects he or she can't see by using a secret code. The mind reader closes his or her eyes or is blindfolded. When someone shows a book, watch, or knife to the mind reader's assistant, the assistant signals to the mind reader in code, perhaps tapping his or her foot on the floor. Then the mind reader can tell you what the objects are without even seeing them. Mind reading and fortune telling are fun if we look at them in as some kind of game. However, never take these things seriously, or you may have problems. Now that's it for our reading. Very interesting article. I like this very much. It's all about going to California, one of the famous beaches called Venice, and you can get your fortune told or have your mind read. for $10 to $50, that is. But this article tells you be careful because there is no evidence that it really works. But there is a lot of evidence showing that these people are tricky and trying to cheat you of your money. They use different ways, like codes, or try to make suggestions to make you pick certain words or numbers that they want you to pick. In the end, it's usually just a game, and they're trying to make money from you. Don't take it too seriously. That's what the article says. It could cause you lots of problems. And I agree. I believe that there is no such thing as fortune telling or mind reading. I don't believe in it at all. I believe you can make your own future, and only you can do that. But somebody who says they can read the future, well, they're probably asking you for money. And then you have to be worried about that. I know in Taiwan it's very popular. But you might think about it, is it really true? I don't think so. And so be careful and try not to believe the mind readers are the fortune tellers. It's fun for entertainment. But actually, be careful if you really want to make decisions based on it. It's probably not too true. Now that's it for our reading. Don't forget to read this article aloud to your friends, your classmates, or to your family, and you will improve your speaking as well as your reading. Now let's go on to the next part of our class.